Meet Charles Osborne, the man who hiccuped for 68 years. His story is one of incredible endurance and resilience. In 1922, a simple accident while weighing a hog triggered an extraordinary journey. His relentless hiccups were caused by a damaged blood vessel in his brain. Despite the constant hiccuping, Charles married twice and had 8 children, proving that the human spirit can endure. Throughout his life, he sought relief from countless doctors and remedies, but the hiccups persisted. In an incredible turn of events, his hiccups stopped in 1990, just a year before his passing. Charles Osborne's legacy reminds us of the power of resilience and the enduring spirit of the human heart.